Hello students, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to start the remaining part of 25th B exercise. Before we start this exercise, make sure that you have already seen the previous video which I have uploaded of this exercise, because in that exercise we have learned, I have tried to clear the concepts. This video will be beneficial for you only if you have seen that video. And also make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon. So now we are going to start the next part, that is first question. C part was left, so this is your first question, C part. So I will repeat this question number 1 again. Identify, you can also see, identify the pair of angles in each of the figure given below. Adjacent angles, vertical opposite angle, interior alternate angle, corresponding angles, exterior alternate angles. तो ये जो पेयर हमें गिवन है, we have to shortlist that whether this is vertical opposite angle, adjacent angle, alternate interior angle. So हमें यही find out करना है कि ये पेयर कौन से हैं. So this is your first question, C part. Okay. First pair is angle number 1 and 10. So this is angle number 1 and 10. Okay, this figure seems to be quite confusing कि यहाँ पे कौन सी टू लाइन्स है, कौन सी ट्राइवर्सल है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. So let us figure out हमने ये क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है. How we will do this. This is angle 1, this is angle 10. So what is the relation between these two angles? First of all, cover this part. So now look here. These are the two lines and this is transversal, and we have to find the relation with angle 1 and angle 10. So now it is clear angle 1 and 10 कौन से हैं हमारे corresponding angles. So this angle and this angle. So this is the transversal line. Now next part, angle 6 and 12. So where are angle 6? This is angle 6, this is angle 12. Now cover this part. Now look, these are the two lines and this is transversal. So this in angle 6 is outside this line, angle 12 is also outside this line, and one is on the above and one is below. That means exterior alternate angles. So these are alternate exterior angles, or we can say exterior alternate angles. ठीक है, ये दो लाइनें देखी हमने. एंगल 6 यहाँ पे था, 12 यहाँ पे था. दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल. एक ट्रांसवर्सल के ऊपर है, एक ट्रांसवर्सल के नीचे है. दोनों ही इन दोनों लाइन के बाहर है. तो एक तो ये अल्टरनेट है और दूसरे बाहर वाली साइड है, तो एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट इज 10 and 8 and 10. So this is 8, this is 10. Again cover these two lines. So now these two lines and angles are inside these two lines, and one is above, one is below. So alternate interior angles, interior alternate angles. 4 and 11. This is 4, this is 4, this is 11. So we will cover this part. So now these are the two lines, this is the transversal. इन टू लाइंस के अंदर है दोनों, 11 इसके अंदर है, 4 इसके अंदर है, एंड ट्रांसवर्सल के एक इस साइड है, एक इस साइड है. सो दीज आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. नेक्स्ट इज 2 and 8. So find, this is 2, this is 8. So we will cover this part. So this is 2, this is 8. Now these are the two lines. इन दोनों लाइंस के बाहर हैं, 2 इस साइड है, 8 इस साइड है. सो ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स हैं. नाउ दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल. एक ट्रांसवर्सल के नीचे है, एक ऊपर है. सो दीज आर एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. नाउ द लास्ट वन, 5 and 7. This is 5, this is 7. It is very clear these are vertical opposite angles. These are nothing but vertically opposite angles. Clear? So this was your first question, C part. Now moving to the second question. Each figure given below shows a pair of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Each case find A and B giving reasons. So there are some few figures given and they are giving that these two lines are parallel and it cut by a transversal, and we have to calculate the value of A and B, but we also have to give the reason. So what is the reason, that what is the value of A and B? Okay, moving to the first question. So these are the two lines, but this arrow is given on every two lines. That means these two lines are parallel, that they will not intersect each other at any point. That means these two lines are parallel. Now this is a transversal straight line. This is one angle, this is another. These are adjacent angles. स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है? द सम ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल्स ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इज 180 एंड रीजन वी जनरली मेंशन इज लीनियर पेयर. सो स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर अगर कभी भी दो इस तरह से आपके बन रहे हैं तो आपने उसका रीजन मेंशन करना है लीनियर पेयर. इन दोनों का सम कितना होता है? 180. दीज आर सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. सो दिस इज अ सप्लीमेंट्री पेयर. सो ए प्लस 140 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180. सो रीजन इज linear pair. ठीक है. नाउ A इज 140 पॉजिटिव है, उस साइड जाके नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. सो 180 माइनस 140. व्हेन वी विल टेक दिस 140 टू द दैट साइड ऑफ द इक्वल टू, द साइन विल चेंज. सो दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव, इट विल चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव. 180 माइनस 140 40 डिग्री. नाउ A B. So B is equal to A. Reason. So B is equal to A is equal to 40. Reason, alternate interior angles. Interior alternate angles. So first of all we have calculated the value of A. Now B is equal to A because these are alternate interior angles. Now moving to the next question. So here it is very A is equal to 60 degree. Reason, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. B plus 60 is equal to 180. Reason, linear pair. So when we will take this 60 to the that side of equal to, the sign will get changed. 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Moving to the next part. Now A is equal to, these are two vertically opposite angles. A is equal to 110 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. A plus B is equal to 180. Reason, co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles in case of parallel lines is 180. ठीक है. So A plus B कितना आ गया? 180. Now put the value of A here. 110 plus B equal to 180 degree. When we will take 110 to the that side, that is 180 minus 110, sign get changed. 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. This is your answer. Note it down side by side. Moving to the fourth part. This A and 60 are interior alternate angles. A is equal to 60 degree. Reason, interior alternate angles. Then A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. You can also write b plus 60 equal to 180. Reason क्या आएगा? Co-interior angles. So now put the value here. A की वैल्यू कितनी है? 60 plus b is equal to 180 degree. This 60 when we will take to the that side of the equal to, sign will get changed. That is 120 degree. So this is your answer. A की वैल्यू आ गई 60, b की वैल्यू 120. ठीक है. First of all, we calculated A is equal to 60 degree because these are alternate interior angles. Then A plus B linear pair, that is A plus B equal to 180. So from here value of B is equal to 120. Next question. Again these two are alternate interior angles. So A is equal to 72 degree. Reason, interior alternate angles. Then A is equal to B because these are vertically opposite angles. So A is equal to B is equal to 72. So B is equal to 72. Reason, vertically opposite angles. So A is 72. ठीक है. और एक इसका एक और मेथड भी है. B इज इक्वल टू आप 72 भी लिख सकते हो. ये दोनों क्या है? कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. सो कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर आल्सो इक्वल इन द केस ऑफ पैरेलल लाइन. सो B इज इक्वल टू 72 डिग्री. जैसे मर्जी कर सकते हो. सो वन इज दीज आर टू अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, दीज आर कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. सो अगर ऐसे करना तो ऐसे कर लो, नहीं तो डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो B इक्वल टू 72 डिग्री. रीजन, कोरस्पॉन्डिंग angles. Next part. Again, now these two angles are corresponding angles. B is equal to 100 degree. Reason, corresponding angles. Then A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. A plus B's value is 100. B की जगह 100 पुट कर दिया. Then when we will take this 100 to the that side, A is equal to 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. This is your answer. Okay students, ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ वीडियो देखने से पहले एक बार खुद से भी ट्राई करना, सो दैट विल गिव यू मोर क्लैरिटी अबाउट द कंसेप्ट्स. आर यू आर गोइंग इन द राइट वे और नॉट, टू चेक दैट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने क्या किया? B इज इक्वल टू 100. रीजन, कोरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. देन A प्लस B इज 180 डिग्री. रीजन, लीनियर पेयर. फ्रॉम हेयर वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ A. नाउ next part, 7th question. B is equal to, these are vertical opposite angle. B is equal to 130 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Now these two are co-interior angles. So sum of co-interior angle is 180. A plus 130 is equal to 180 degree. Reason, co-interior angles. So A is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. So this is your 8th part. Now these two angles are same. Reason, corresponding angles. B is equal to 62. Reason, corresponding angles. A plus B is equal to 180. Reason, linear pair. A plus B की वैल्यू कितनी है? 62. So A is equal to 180 minus 62. 118. Next part, B is equal to 90 डिग्री. ये दोनों कौन से एंगल है? कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. These are the linear pair. A plus 90 is equal to 180. Reason linear pair. A is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. Okay students, you have to remember that these दोनों लाइंस के ऊपर वाले एंगल भी इक्वल होते हैं जो एक साइड पे हो, दैट आर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. A प्लस बी भी को इंटीरियर होते हैं, उससे भी ये सॉल्व कर सकते थे. 90 प्लस ए दैट इज linear pair, from that also we have solved. Again I am saying that if you are having any doubt in this exercise, then you have to watch the previous video first. I will mention previous video link in the description, so please watch that video if you want to understand this exercise. The last question of the exercise, if angle 1 is equal to 120, this angle is 120 degree. Find angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these angles we have to find. If this is 120, these two angles are vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1, which is equal to angle 120 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Angle 5 is equal to angle 1 equal to angle 120 degree. These are corresponding angles. Then angle 1 and 7, angle 7 equal to angle 1 equal to 120 degree. Exterior alternate angles. Clear students? Now this angle 1 and 2 are making a linear pair. 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. In place of 1 I write 120 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 120. ये 120 साइड जाके माइनस हो गया, दैट इज 60 डिग्री. नाउ दिस एंगल वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड, दिस इज 60 डिग्री. This and this are same. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 60 degree. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Then angle 2 and 6, angle 6 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 60 degree. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Then this 2 and this 8, these are alternate exterior angle, these are also equal. Angle 8 equal to angle 2 equal to 60 degree. Exterior alternate angles. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? सो हमें 1 एंगल गिवन था, हमने 2 फाइंड आउट कर लिया, 3 भी फाइंड आउट कर लिया, 4 भी फाइंड आउट कर लिया, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. All the remaining angles we have calculated. So just we have seen the pairs. These are vertical opposite angles, these are corresponding angles, these are exterior angles. So with the help of these we have calculated. Okay students, do subscribe to my channel for the new videos, and thanks for watching.